Hello, my name is Muhammad Hassan and I am going to present you our final year project, which is the transmission line inspection using drone. Power line inspection is a wider process. It requires skilled workers and it's expensive and time consuming as well. We are familiar with the working of drones. We know we can make pictures and videos by connecting cameras on UAV. So why not we do power line inspection? As inspection for power line using drone is popular in foreign countries. In Pakistan, use of drone for the power line inspection is not very common, and we want jobs for power line inspection to be inexpensive and danger-free. That's why we propose this project. It's a high-speed drone of about 70 miles per hour because we are using 1000 kV brushless DC motors and each gives 1000 rpm per volt. Combining with the 3-cell LiPo batteries, it increases to 11.1 volts. Now talking about batteries, it gives flight time of about 20 to 22 minutes. Our main concern is power line inspection, so we are using 4K action camera which gives the wide angle view of the area and helps to inspect more accurately. Our drone can fly in different modes: GPS mode, manual mode, and fail-safe or RTL return to launch mode. Helps the drone to fly back to its original position in case of any emergency.